Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. I have two main steps during the creative process that I love the most. One is for sure the flocking step, but the other one is that one when I need to put all the sculpt mold for finish the terrain and have the final look to the piece. This one is the one we are going to make a mess. Let's crack on, guys. First of all, I want to put all the big pieces of the keep in a bigger table set. I have a big piece of MDF and I want to set all my pieces in a solid base. I want to put them together in this big space so they stay tightly together and they don't move and stuff. And then we can add a lot of extra environment to the piece. This will be an amazing table piece, guys. And I want to, create this wow effect for the players. Let's crack on. So let me show you this interesting feature. These are the two pieces of the left side of the keep. As you can see here, we have the line of separation, and I succeed in this. Okay, so basically this floor camouflages the separation lines. Now we need to improve the camouflage of the other parts with some sculpt mold and stuff. Okay, crack on. So this was a mistake. I bought it for my laser cutter, but it's too thick for my laser cutter. So you see, there are marks here. I tried to create some pieces, but this was a failure. So I will reuse this as a base for all my kit. Crack on. Stage 1 is completed. I will let it dry a little bit, and then we remove all the keep so we can work on the fixation of this shape. At the end we will put some plaster between the two parts, and then we will detach the plaster. It will be a mess, but I want to try to create the connection parts as little as possible, and I'm hopeful that this is a good technique. Now, dry time. Okay, so now all the glue is dried and we can use the aluminum foil as a support for create the actual ground. I'm gonna use some plaster, okay, some wall filler for having the right, texture and the right strength to this ground. In addition, we need to fill all the gaps between the pieces, so it's gonna be a messy job, but also a funny one. This was quite a job, guys, but now I'm very satisfied with the results. Everything starts to get together nicely. Next time you will see me on this project, I will paint it in black and I will start to add decorations and details and stuff like that. The road is still long, it's a long road, guys, but the final chapter is up to come. Remember, guys, this is not just a channel, this is a community. I have my Facebook page, my Instagram page, and you can follow me in everything I'm doing in this little lab. So don't forget to subscribe, check out my Facebook page, my Instagram profile. Until next time, happy crafting!